Welcome, in front of me is a General Mobile GM9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card that is in the device. So to get started, you want to open up settings, so let's do that. And from settings, navigate it into storage. So right here, and you should find your SD card, which for me is the SanDisk. Tap on it, it will take you to basically the SanDisk and what it's on it, and from here tap on three dots and choose storage settings. And now you should see two options, or actually three, which is format as internal, and eject. Now we're basically interested in the format. It gives you a message that will remove basically everything that is on the card. So just tap on format SD card and you will see progress of formatting. And once it's finished, we should just be greeted with the message that it's done. And yeah, just click on done. And now it's fully formatted and ready to be used again. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.